Welcome back to Primetime News, and if you're watching on our online platform, onespotmedia.com, thanks again for joining us. Shock and anguish across the country this evening following a second mass shooting in a matter of days. It takes to 24 the number of persons shot in the two mass killings. In the latest incident, 13 persons were shot, 2 were killed as a lone gunman went on a rampage in Westmoreland following a dispute. The police say they are trying to locate a person of interest in the shooting. Prince Moore has our story, but we must warn you, some of the pictures could be disturbing. Viewer discretion is advised.
These bloodstains and slippers tell only part of the tale of what transpired here at the Under Vibe Sports Bar in Gordon District, White House, Westmoreland. It's understood that about minutes to 8 o'clock Sunday evening, persons were attending a party at the bar when an argument developed between 31-year-old Mark Morgan and the man alleged to be the shooter. The man allegedly threatened to kill Mr. Morgan, then left the venue. He allegedly returned and opened fire at Mr. Morgan and in the process hit the other patrons. After the shooting ended, it was discovered that 13 persons were shot. The police were summoned, and on their arrival, Morgan and 30-year-old farmer Cason Alex Blair were found suffering from gunshot wounds to their heads. 10 of the victims were taken to hospital, where Morgan and Blair were pronounced dead. 3 others were treated and admitted in serious condition, while 2 were admitted to another hospital in stable condition. Mr. Blair's mother says she's shocked that someone would take her son's life.
He's the 4th of the 7 children, very jovial. I don't know of any enemy that he had, why anybody would want to do him anything. He's a very nice and loving son, very nice father to his 3 children.
Mr. Morgan's mother says her son came to her, dropped off his child, and told her he was going to a party for his brother. She said after warning her son to stay home because of the weather condition, he was adamant he was going. She says a few minutes later, she heard of the incident from another son.
He said, "Mommy, I have breaking news for you, but I don't know how to tell you." And I said to him, "How what you do now?" He said, "No, me, I'm Mark. They shut up the bar, and Mark, you know if Mark dead, but he know say Coco dead. One year Coco, you know say Coco dead on his spot, but he don't know if Mark dead. And when I went to Black River, I never see my son until he dead."
She says her son has had issues.
Sometimes Mark don't hear, but another time he jokify and he friendly. You understand? Okay. And sometimes he give me a lot of trouble, you know.
TVJ News understands that 12 9mm shell casings, 1 live 9mm round, and 7 expended bullets were found at the scene. The police are looking for 1 suspect in connection with the shooting. Prince Moore, TVJ News.